Understanding accordion case in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, accordion case. It's a unique expression in English, and understanding it can really add some color to your language skills. Let's dive in and find out what it's all about. First, let's understand what an accordion is. An accordion is a musical instrument that you play by stretching and squeezing while pressing buttons or keys. It's often used in folk music and has a very distinctive sound. This is crucial for understanding the phrase, accordion case. Now, the literal meaning of an accordion case. As the name suggests, it's a case or a box used to carry and protect an accordion. It's designed to fit the unique shape and size of the instrument. This is the most straightforward interpretation of the term. Interestingly, accordion case can also be used figuratively. In this sense, it might describe something that can expand or contract like an accordion. For example, when talking about a schedule or plan, saying it's like an accordion case means it can be adjusted to be longer or shorter. Let's see some examples. 1. Our travel itinerary is like an accordion case. We can extend or shorten it as needed. 2. Her bag is like an accordion case. It seems to have room for everything. These examples show how the phrase can be used in everyday conversations. That's it for today's lesson on accordion case. I hope this video helped clarify both the literal and figurative meanings of this interesting phrase. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the images and ideas they convey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.